Hello and welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete name ranges in Microsoft Excel. I have created several tutorials on name ranges where I have showed how to create a name range, how to create dynamic name range, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete this name range or how you can edit this name range. Okay. Now take a look at here. We have our name box. If I click on this drop down, I have two names. If I select one, that name ranges is selected. If I select another, that name range is selected. Now the fact is, whenever we have anything written here except the cell reference, it is a name range. It could be a table or it could be a name range. But if you want to remove it or if you want to delete it, you cannot do it from here. You have to click on the formula tab and then click on name manager, and here all the name ranges will be listed. If you want, you can filter the name ranges based on several options: name scope to the worksheet, scope to the workbook, name with errors, names without errors, defined name, and table names. Okay. Now you can filter it or you can scroll the list from here, and once you confirm that you want to delete the income name range or whatever name range you want, if you select it, here are a few options. The first one is it will display the range it refers to, and you'll find option to edit it. If you click on edit, you can edit the name range, and then you will have the option to delete it. If I click delete and click OK again, and our name range is deleted. Now there is a keyboard shortcut to remove all the name ranges. You will have to press Ctrl F3 and you will find the name manager. From here again, if you click delete and click OK again, all the name ranges has been removed. If I click on this drop down, you can see there is no names here. Okay. If I click on the name manager, it's empty. So this is how you can edit and delete name ranges from Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.